All of you, hope you guys are great. So in this video I'll give you a quick update about one of my personal project which I have been working for quite long, and what are the functionality we have included into this applications. So the project called Developer Point, it's going to be an online learning platform. It will have free courses, it will have paid courses, the courses from my side, and it will have other tutors who will teach their courses as well. So this is how the hero section would look like. We have divided the home section in three parts. So the first section is dedicated to the blockchain tab. So in this section you will find all the courses related to the blockchain. The second section we have for the Web2 space. So all the web development courses you will find here. So right now I have listed my all the courses which I have created on the channel. That's all I have listed here as a free one, so you can access anytime. And the third section we have for popular playlists. So those courses are built in the system of playlists. So we're going to display all the playlists here so you can easily able to access. So if you click here, you can easily able to navigate to the blockchain tab, and here you will find all the courses. You can click here, you can go back, and you can do the same thing for the web development. Click here and you will come to this web development. You can come here, you can click on this playlist section, and here you will find all the playlists. So we have perfectly designed all the data model of this application, and we have make it things separate from one another. So if you are interested in playlists, you will find all the courses in the terms of playlist. If you are interested in Web2, you will find all the courses related to the Web2. So we have designed the entire data model like that, so it will help you to navigate very easily. So that's what we have here. And if you want to access any course, so all you have to do is to click on this start now, and this is how the course would look like. Okay, from here you will have the entire playlist, so you can easily able to click in any one of these, and you can easily able to navigate to that. So if I want to watch this API testing tool Postman, you can click on this and you will have that, and you can simply close that one and you can start working and
hey, all of you, hope you guys are great.
So it's working fine. If you click on this, you can come here, you can click on this, and it will navigate to you there. From here you can easily able to have all the resources. So if you want to get the startup file, you can get it from here. If you want to get the final code, you can get it here. If you want to get the GitHub, YouTube, and if that tutor who's teaching you, if he has any kind of pro course, so you will get the link here as well, so you can easily close and open. If I scroll down here, you will get the instruction. So what is the course name, the difficulties. From here you can easily able to download the startup file and the final project. And if you click on here, a pop-up will open, and from here you will get the instruction that how you can navigate, what are the installation you have to do. Okay, and here we have the Discord server, so you can click on here and you can go to the Discord, particular Discords, and that you will get the help. Okay, so free courses will have a open Discords, anybody can join, but in the pro courses it will have a pro member Discord service. Okay, so if you purchase the course, then you can easily able to access that Discord server. There you will get extra features. So you can simply close that one. Here you will have all the instructions, and here we'll have this image. I'm planning to add a chat system here, so if you want to put a comment, so you can include that one. So once you complete with that, you can simply click on this and it will take you to the next chapter. So hope you like this interface. It's absolutely working fine. And if you come here, you can from here you can is able to log in. So currently I'm logged in with this email ID. So if I make it login, you can see I'm logged in to this application. Here I'm redirected to the home, and I'm using the same login system we have built in our NFT marketplace. So if you haven't watched that API playlist, make sure to watch it. Okay, so I click on this login, and if I click here, if I go to this cookie section, if I come here, you will find all of this cookie which I have included. Here is the local cookie. If you click on this cookie, and this is the cookie we are sending, so this cookie is totally reliable for authentication. So if you do any modification, it will throw you an error. Okay, so I'm not going into that detail. If you come here, from here you can easily able to create your account. So this is the account which I have created, and you will simply log into the applications. This is the Discord server we have. So right now we have two Discord server. This is the open one, and this is the private one. From here, if you take any courses, so you will get into this, but this one is open, so anybody can join that. Here we have the list of all the top Discord members. So currently I'm testing with the demo data. So once we'll have a real Discord member, their data we're going to describe here, and we'll show that who is more active. Okay, so that's one is also looking absolutely fine. If I click here, I can come back here, and if I scroll all the way down, this is how it will look, and from here I can navigate to different pages. So if I click on this, account, I will back into my account section, and here you will find all the details about yourself. So from here you can easily update all the data. So this is the security section. From here you can update your password and reset your password. This is the invoice section. So if you buy any course, you will get your own invoice. And this is the help section. So all you have to do is to click on this and it will take you to the Discord server where you can ask for help. If you click on this legal notice, so right now we don't have anything. Definitely we're going to include the legal notice that if when you buy any courses, then what are the terms and conditions you should keep in mind, okay? And you can claim for refunds, all of those things. So everything is working fine. If you click here you will have all the dropped up menu and you can navigate to different pages. So if you want to navigate to the lesson one, you can do that. If you want to log out, you can do that. If you want to get your invoice, you can do that. There's tons of things. So I believe you like the project which I'm currently working on. It's taking me a lot of time because we have to do a lot of tests. It will have a lot of features. So we'll build two type of dashboard. One dashboard for the users, those who will take the course, and the other type of dashboard will build for the tutors. So those who want to create course for them, we are working on currently. And it's absolutely incredible, man. Just have a look. You can click and you can start the lecture. So this is the complete sortie course. So currently I haven't deployed anywhere. You can see everything is dynamic. The URL is also getting changed because we are using this sortie course. So everything is working fine. Mapping, structures, everything is looking absolutely incredible. If you click on this, here you will have the data. You can check everything from your end. Okay, so I hope you like this entire application. Do let me know, do give your feedback that how the interface is. Okay, and I got the inspiration of this entire interface from Web3.js. Okay, Bruno Simon. So I believe that you guys like this entire application and the project which I'm currently working on. And do let me know that how many of you are interested for taking my paid course, because I'm working on a course and that I will focus on the API, and I'm going to make one more course in that we're going to build this NFT marketplace. So this is the NFT marketplace we have built, and we have covered so many things into this, but I'm going to extend this NFT marketplace to the next level in the real world. So we're going to include API into this NFT marketplace with more functionality like review, complex review system. There's tons of things we're going to include. So very soon you will have an update that what are the things you're going to cover in the update version of this NFT marketplace course. So hope you guys have found this video valuable. If you still have any confusion, any doubt, or any suggestion, do let me know. That would be really helpful for me to build this small startup, or you can call it a personal project. Okay, with that I'm ending this video. Hope you have liked it. If you still have any suggestion, any doubt, do let me know. That would be great for me. Have a wonderful day.